Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I've got another video for you on something different, but kind of the same. These are the Redmi Airdots 3. Now you can pick these up from hekka.com, hekka.com. They are an online retailer similar to Banggood and Amazon. So big shout out to Hekka for sending these out to me to test out. It's very much appreciated. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to check them out. So in this video, we'll unbox these, check out the features and specs, check out the build quality, see how they fit, and more importantly, see how they sound. So they come in this blue box. Got some Redmi branding up top on the right, Airdots 3 front and center, and a picture of the earbuds on the lower right. On the left and right side of the box, you've got some specs, like the battery life, showing about 30 hours, and that these earbuds are Bluetooth 5.2. On the back, you've got a barcode and some other specs like the battery size. Now inside the box, you get the usuals. You get your user manual, you get your charging cable, which once again is a USB-A to USB-C. You get additional ear tips, small, medium, large, medium installed from the factory. And finally, you get the earbuds, which is inside the case. So the case is a clamshell design made out of a hard plastic with a matte finish to it. You've got some Redmi branding up top on the lid. On the back, you've got your USB-C charging port. And on the front, you've got a LED indicator light showing the battery life. So the case is magnetized, so they're gonna keep the buds nice and secure. The case has a nice lid that has a strong snap when closing, so you know they'll stay closed when they're in your pocket or in your backpack, keeping the earbuds nice and secure. So the earbuds are a stemless design, making them super compact and lightweight. So on the outer side of the earbuds, it's plain, but they are a touch sensor, so it should offer you nice controls. On the inside, you've got your charging pins and an L&R decal so that you know what side ear they're for. So as for the build quality of the case and the earbuds, they feel solid. The earbuds are IPX4 water resistant, so you're not gonna have any problems with sweat when working out, or again, if you're outside and you get caught in the rain, no problem with that. Once again, you're not gonna be able to swim in these or take these into the shower with you, but for your light sweat, light rain, no problem with these. So now moving over to the battery life on these, they've got great battery life. On a single charge of the earbuds, you get about 5 hours of talk and listening time. And using the case to charge, you get an additional 25 hours, giving you a total of 30 hours of talk and listening time. So it takes about an hour and a half to charge up the earbuds and about 3 hours to charge up the case. Unfortunately, the case does not offer fast charging or wireless charging. So as far as fit goes, these fit me great. No pressure anywhere on my ears. They're super lightweight, so sometimes you don't even feel that they're there. I don't know if you could sleep in these, because I know I wouldn't be able to, no matter how comfortable they are, but they may work for you. Now, as far as sound goes, when I first put these on, they had the medium ear tips installed. They sounded terrible. It was tingy, there was no bass. They sounded like an old radio player. But once I swapped the ear tips out to the large, that gave me a better seal. And with that small little change, the earbuds sound great. The mids and highs are nice and crispy, and the bass is bumping. So if you get these or any earbuds, make sure you test fit the ear tips. Make sure you get that nice seal, because that could change everything. So these earbuds offer Bluetooth 5.2, which is the latest in Bluetooth technology. So it's going to be able to transfer more information at a lower latency, What that means for us is that when we're watching videos like on Netflix or on YouTube, we're gonna get nice crisp audio and no lag, giving us an awesome user experience. So gaming with the earbuds are great. I played Mario Kart and League of Legends mobile. No issues with sound and latency. Everything's synced up nice and smooth. Audio is nice and crisp. But again, I don't know how these will fare up on first-person shooters that require low latency because there is no dedicated game mode on these. But for casual gaming, they work fine. Alright, so let's pair this up to my phone. Make sure you have Bluetooth turned on your phone. Have the earbuds nearby. Open the case. And your phone should see it momentarily, similar to AirPods. Once it sees it, hit connect and you're paired. Now anytime you want to use them, take the earbuds out, put them in your ear, they'll automatically connect and you're good to go. Alright, before I forget, let's do a quick microphone check.
Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo, testing out the Redmi Airdots 3 by Xiaomi. Doing a quick microphone check. Microphone check 1, 2, microphone check 1, 2.
Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I personally think they sound good. Alright, so some final thoughts. The earbuds offer touch sensors, which I think is awesome. But unfortunately, all you can do is start and stop music. You can't adjust volume or you can't switch tracks, which doesn't make sense to me. But overall, I like the build quality. I like having Bluetooth 5.2, the sound quality is on point. So for the mid $30 range, I think they're a solid pickup. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you found value in the video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.